Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Verma. I am a verified tutor at Urban Pro. I take live classes at Urban Pro and I teach mathematics and science from class 9 to 12. I have more than 5 years of experience in teaching and in this video I would like to discuss about SATs, a class level topic. Okay, a very important topic for your further education. Now come to the slide and about the class. Okay. So let us start our topic. Okay. So in today's video, we will discuss what is set, means some set basic, and how to represent a set, means the symbols using the set, and the syntax of the set, how to represent it, and the meaning of some symbols used in the set. Okay, belongs to, not belongs to, contain in, such that, all these symbols. And most important is the roster, or we can say that the tabular form or the set builder form. These are most important topics. Okay. Every time a question comes from this in example. Okay, just see this video from starting to end. Okay, you will learn something new. Now let us start with the definition of a set. What is set? Now, a set is a well-defined collection of objects. Means we will understand the meaning of these two words: well-defined and objects. Now see, I have also given the definition, and in this I have written that, for example, there are some numbers 8, 10, 15, 24. These are numbers, and we have written only like in simple form by separate part. But if I put the this sign curly bracket in the starting and in the end, then it will become the set. Okay, we can give a name, like as I have given a name A. Okay, so these are the objects for the set. You know that I have written the meaning the object now. So these are the objects, or we can say that these are the elements. Elements or objects. We can say both. So you see this, how I am writing this. If you want to make a set of a fruit, like as I have given a name F, and this is a set of fruit. So I am writing mango, papaya, banana, and grapes. Okay. So I have written 4 fruits here. So you just have to separate it by the comma, and I have written the set. And set have two form of representation. This is the roster form I have written that, and second is the set builder form, which we will discuss some later in this video. Okay. Now come to this point: well-defined collection. What is the meaning of well-defined collection? Listen, each set has some criteria for defining its element. Like as in this set, we have already said that this is a set of fruit. So only fruit can come in this. And for for an element to become a fruit, there is some criteria. Like as it should produce naturally, and it is tasty in sweet, or it can be eatable. ठीक है, इसे हम खा सकते हैं. So can you put 9 into this set? No, you can't put now, because when you put 9 here, then the criteria of set will change here, because 9 is not tasty. 9, we cannot eat 9, and 9 is not produced from nature. Okay, so the criteria will change here. Means the criteria should not change from elements to element. Okay, but when we check from mango, papaya, banana, and grapes, the criteria is same. Okay, all these are the fruits. I also take example of, this is the most common asked question on the internet, like as example of 10 best cricketer in the world. Okay. Now you will give a name to cricketer, like as I have given a name Sachin Tendulkar, Rabbit. Means we are taking from the India 10 best cricketer. Okay. Now I know these names. Okay, so I am writing these names. But if you will ask from some another person, he will some another names because in his view, uh, a best cricketer will be different. But and we also can see that there is no certain criteria to be a batsman. Sometimes Sachin Tendulkar will not be the best, and sometimes Rahul Dravid is the best. Okay, so there is no certain criteria that a person should be all-time best. Okay, yeah, we can say that he is the best bowler. No, we can't say that because no one is perfect. Okay, so criteria will change from element to element. Means we can say that Rahul Dravid is the best bowler, Sachin Tendulkar is the best batsman, and another is the best catcher or best scorer. Okay, IPL scorer, more scorer. Okay, so all these are the 10 batsmen, but the criteria will change from element to element. You see this? Because Sachin Tendulkar is the best batsman, Rahul Dravid is the best bowler, and Virat Kohli is the most scorer person in the IPL. I have taken this example, I think. Okay, and some another person will some means criteria is changing from person to person. So this is not a set. Okay, criteria should not be changed from person element to element or object to object. So are you getting it? So this is the meaning of the well defined. If you can see that 10 best mathematician of the world, so you also can't make a set of this because if you will try to put the 10 best mathematician, you have to make a certain criteria that he or she should be best in algebra. Okay, so a person is a best mathematician, but he is not good in algebra. He is good in geometry. Okay, so you can't put it, but he's a best mathematician. So mathematician में भी criteria change होता रहेगा elements to element. So we can't put it. You will put a element in a set when you have a certain criteria. Like as we can written the all the even number in the set. Like as I have given set A, and I am putting all the even numbers here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So up to 10, I am taking up to 10. So I have a certain criteria here. Like as it should be a multiple of 2, it should divide by 2. It is a even number. Okay. You can't put 3 here because 3 will not come. And each element has same criteria. Means it is a multiple of 2, it is divided by 2, it is even number. Okay, now you see this each element means criteria is not changing from element to element. Okay, this is the meaning of well defined. Now we will come to some symbolic representation of the set. In the mathematics, there are some predefined syntax for representing a set. For example, whenever you are going to represent or want to make a set of natural number, you have to use this symbol. Okay, na? This symbol n means double sign here. We see this. This double sign means the set of natural number. You will not use the n sign here because it is meaning only in the alphabet. Okay, but when you are using this sign, it is a meaning of that it is a set of natural number. Like this 1, 2, 3, dot, dot, dot. And when we will use the three dots, it's mean that it is up to infinite. So you will remember that we will use the three dot only, okay, for representing infinite set. And same here is the set of integer, like as you have to represent z, like as this. Okay, this double line here for representing the set of integer. And the set of integer can also be divided into two parts, means negative. This is positive. Same is follow for the real number, same is follow for the rest set of real numbers. Okay, just come to the important part now. Now these two symbols are most important part of it. because in the whole set theory, you will have to use all these symbols. Okay, this is most important. Now, just we will understand by an example. Like as I have given a set A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if our element or a object is a part of this set, so we will use like a this sign. Means this is the sign of belongs to. Just write it down on the copy. Belongs to. So one belongs to set A. Okay, one is the object of A. One is the element of A. Two belongs to A. But if a set, if an element does not belong to set A, then we will use the sign this. And does not belong to. Does not belong to. Okay, like as in this set, 6 is not coming. So you will use 6 does not belongs to A. Okay, 6 is not the object of A. So I have given an example on this. Just try this. Pause the video and try this. Can you do this? Now I'm putting the sign here. Okay, just match it down. If you have write it down. See, 5 belongs to A or not? 5 is contained, yes. Okay. 8 is contained in A or not? Not contained. 0 belongs to A or not? 0 not belongs to. 4 belongs to yes. 2 belongs to yes. 10 belongs to no. Okay. This is simple. Just you have to write, learn how to use this sign. Belongs to and not belongs to. Now come to the most important part of this roster and the tabular form. What is a roster form? So in first slide, when I tell you that, I will tell you later, and I have represented that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, this set. This is a roster form. In the roster form, there are no symbols, means like as this symbol belongs to, does not belong to, no symbol. No symbol here. Only just the element separated by the comma. Okay, only just the elements separated by the comma. They can be any numbers. Like as I have taken a vowel set A, E, I, O, U. Okay, these are the vowel set. These are separated by just by a comma. So this is the example of the roster form. Now, for converting a question into roster form, you have given a question in the set builder form. Means like as I am taking an example. I will discuss it later in this video. Like as x and x is a form of 3n, where n belongs to natural number, and n is less than 10. So just understand this. I will understand later, but you have to first understand how to build a roster form. Build a roster form how from chat builder form. I will tell you later the meaning of this part. Okay. So see, we have all the elements actually in the form of x. Okay, x, and x is a form of 3n, where n belongs to natural number. By with the help of this and this, you can make all the set. Like as n is natural number, means n can have value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, less than 10 ना. So आपको इधर रुकना है बस 10 तक, यहाँ तक 9 तक. And x is the multiple of, means x is the element which is multiply natural number with 3. So we have to multiply each number. 3, 6, 9, 3, 4, 12, 3, 5, 15, 16, 24, 27. So you will write all these elements in this 9. This is a roster form, means there is no symbol, there is no sign here. Okay, so we will just do examples for this, like this. We have given. We have given a set, and it contains the element in the form of x. X can be anything. X is the object. Okay, it can be vowel, it can be number, it can be anything. x is an integer, and an integer we have a condition here. Means integer should be minus के 3 से बड़ा होना चाहिए and the 7 से छोटा होना चाहिए. Okay, here should not contain the 7. Okay, because we have not given the equal to sign, so we will not use it. So the set a become, can we use a minus के 3 in the a? Yes, because it has given the less than equal to sign. So starting from minus के 3, minus के 2, minus के 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Can we use the 7? No, because here if not equal to sign is given. Okay, so we will close the set here. This is the row stuff one. Okay, just try this one by yourself. Okay, just pause the video and do this by yourself. Can you make it? So I'm just checking. X is a natural number less than 6. Means all natural number are starting from 1 and it's less than 6. So we will not use the 6 because we have given it should be less than, not less than equal to 6. So we will use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. So we use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Yes. Now comes to the next set builder form. See, we will understand through by an example. Like as an architecture have some design, or architecture have some code how to build a building. Okay, means and code is written on the maybe on paper or on some charts. Okay, like as this they will discuss. So paper means you can understand by this like as the code is small. Code contain 2 pages, maybe 3 pages. Okay, but the size of the building is large. Okay. So in a set builder form, you have to make a code by which you can build a whole set. Okay, like as I have given a roster form. 3, 6, 9. Just take an example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now I want to convert into set builder form. Set builder form means I have to write a code of this. So I will use x. X is a x belongs to n, means x जो है नेचुरल नंबर का सेट है एंड कॉमन यहाँ पर x यहाँ से स्टार हुआ है x is less than 6. Okay, you just not need to write that it is starting from 1 because all the natural numbers are starting from 1, or you can also if you use there is no, but you have to use less than equal to sign now. Okay, less than equal to sign because 1 is contained. Okay, okay, so this is a set builder form by which you can build the whole set, and we will cover 2 examples on this. I have given the whole method of this. Listen first because there are some symbol used here, so you have to understand the meaning of some symbol. Like in this. Listen, set builder form is divided into 2 parts. Okay, first this part and second is this part. So in the first part you will write a form of element, means all the elements are of the form of x. Okay, x can be any variable. It can be number, it can be alphabet, and x belongs to natural number. And you will use this sign. It's means as such that sign. Such that means after such that, like here it is written. After such that you will use a condition. From which condition our set will build. Okay, like as this is a condition of the x, means that element which is coming here. This is a condition, means x is starting from after 0 and less than 11, and x is odd. So and x is a natural number. So natural number obviously start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. Okay, these are the natural number which is less than 11. Okay. We have not to include 0 and 11 because there is no equal to sign and it is a natural number. And x is odd, so we will use 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay. So this is a 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So this is the example of the chat builder form. Means this, and we have converted into the roster form. You can have a question like as you have given a set builder form, you have to convert it set roster form, and you can have given a roster form and you have to make a set builder form. Please, just need to learn both of these syntax, how to make both. I have given some question here like this. Just pause this video and try to make this by yourself. Can you make it? Okay. If you have done, so I am telling here like as how to make this set. Listen, a set builder form can be different from student to student because they can use another variable, but the formats will be same. Okay, means the symbols used or the outcome of that set builder form will be same. So I'm just using here. I'm giving the name A, and you can give a name or it is not necessary. Okay, so I'm just writing each element is a form of X such that X is a form of you can use this symbol, also you can use this symbol. Okay, both of the meanings are such that I can use also this symbol. Okay, X is such that X is a form of 3n where n belongs to natural number and n is less than 3 4 is 12 na? So like as this. Okay, some another student can write this set builder form like as he will say that each element of a set is a multiple of 3. So he will write like this, and after such that he will say that n belongs to natural number and n is less than 5. Listen, see, both of them are correct. Okay, it can be a choice of the student. Okay, but your output should be same. Your way of representing means there are two parts, first part and second part. I have already told you. Okay, so this should be seen, first part and the second part, first part and the second part. It should is the correct representation form. Okay, now try this question. Can you do this by yourself? In the first time 60% of the students are false in this because they see that these are the multiples of 2. So they will write like as x. Next is a 2n where n belongs to a natural number and n is less than 6. But this is wrong. This is wrong. Okay, this is not like this. This can have a two form like as I am writing here. See, each object or each element is a power of 2. See very carefully. It is 2, it is 2 square, it is 2 cube, it is 2 to the power 4, it is 2 to the power 5. Okay, see this now, 2 to the power 5. So you can represent like x. X is such that x is a form of 2 to the power n, where n belongs to natural number and n is less than 6. Okay, and another form is 2 to the power n, where n belongs to n, natural number set, and n is less than 6. This can also be the form. You can also use the symbol this also, such that symbol. Okay, now? So both of them are correct. Okay. So just come to the next slide. So this was all about the today's class. Okay. If you have any query related to this video or about any question, you can ask me by going into my profile, and if I get a chance to upload another video, then I will upload it. Okay. In the end, I want to say thank you.